In today's fast-paced digital world, the combination of digital and direct marketing has become essential for brands aiming to reach their target audiences effectively. Digital marketing encompasses various online strategies, from social media campaigns to email newsletters, while direct marketing focuses on direct communication with consumers. Together, they create a powerful synergy that can enhance customer engagement and drive sales. By integrating digital platforms with traditional direct marketing techniques, businesses can personalize their messages, ensuring they resonate with specific consumer segments. For instance, using data analytics, marketers can identify potential customers and tailor their campaigns based on consumer behavior patterns. This allows for real-time feedback and adjustments, maximizing the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Imagine receiving a personalized email offering a discount based on your previous purchases, seamlessly blending direct outreach with digital convenience. Furthermore, social media platforms serve as dynamic channels through which brands can interact with their audience, fostering relationships while promoting their products or services. Utilizing both strategies empowers marketers to create cohesive campaigns that not only boost brand recognition but also encourage deeper connections with consumers, ultimately leading to increased loyalty and higher conversion rates. Embracing this combination is key to thriving in the competitive market landscape of today.